What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ayala, and today I am back with another video. As you guys seen by that title, I am going to be showing you guys how you guys can get these super cute flat knotless box braids. These are super easy to do and it doesn't really take that long, so that's what this video is going to be about. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much and welcome back. So we're really just gonna get straight into this video. I'm gonna show you guys all the products or all the utensils that you guys will need to get this look, and I'm also going to show you guys step by step how I add in the braiding hair, how I part the hair, how I did my edges, how I finished the look, making sure that, you know, the braids were sleek and there were no hairs hanging out of the braids. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this intro. So we're just gonna get right into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to watch the video all the way to the end so you guys don't miss any important steps. And if you guys want to get this look, please make sure to stay tuned. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. What you'll need to get this look is a rat tooth comb, a wide tooth comb, instant control or any edge control of your choice, some olive oil moisturizer, some mousse, and some oil sheen. The type of hair that I used was Expression, and I used about 1.5 packs. I got the 82 inch, so I was able to cut the hair in half. Alright, so what I'm doing first is just pre-parting my hair. I am using my rat tooth comb. This is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna have you guys watch me part my hair for a little bit and we'll go from there. So now I'm just sectioning out the hair and actually making the parts individually, and I'm doing medium-sized parts. Now I'm just going in with a little bit of edge control to actually seal my part so that when I move on to the next section, the part doesn't mess up. I actually parted that pretty freaking straight, but I'm just going in now to just kind of perfect the part and get it as straight as possible. So this is what it looks like after pre-parting my hair. I believe I have about 6 rows. So now I'm just going to be going in and putting my hair up so that I can get started with the first braid. Like I said before, I am using the 82-inch Expression hair, so I'm just going to chop that in half because it is absolutely way too long. And to prep the hair, I do like to just put out the sections because it's a lot easier when you can just grab the section and keep going versus having to stop braiding, and then, you know, it's just a process. So that's what I'm doing right now, just putting some hair out so that I can prep for the braids. So now I'm going to go in and apply this olive oil moisturizer and just a tad bit, just so that my hair stays moisturized under the braid. It's just my preference. If you don't want to use moisturizer, you don't have to. And then I'm going to go in and add the edge control to slick it down to my liking. The key to getting the really flat look is to make sure that the top half of the part is super flat. So now what I'm going to do is go in and make 3 sections. Now I'm just braiding my natural hair, and I'm only going to do it until midway. And then once I get midway, I'm going to grab me a piece of braiding hair, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do. And for the first braid, because this was my first time, I didn't know how much hair to use. So the first braid didn't look as good, but what I'm doing is I'm basically just putting the hair in between 2 of the 3 strands, and preferably you use the middle strand and the outside strand, or you can use both of the outside strands, and you kind of just like start braiding. You kind of don't want to worry about the piece that you're adding because you could potentially make a knot just trying to focus on that. So you just want to regularly keep braiding as if the hair is not even in your hand, and the hair will automatically just fall in line with the braiding pattern that you already created. As you guys can see, the look is coming together. I finished the first 3 rows, and I can honestly say the braids are not perfect. It is my first time, and I definitely know what to do next, but they look really good and they look natural, and that's what I was going for, just something protective and natural. And the parts are popping, like I really did that. But what I'm going to do now is show you guys again how to do the process, how to apply the product to your hair, how to sleek it down, and how to add the braiding hair into the braid with your natural hair. So let's go. So after applying all the product to my hair and creating the 3 strands with my natural hair, I'm just going to go in and braid my natural hair down just a little bit, and then I'm going to start adding in the strands of the expression hair, and I'm going to show you guys that in a minute. Alright, so I'm going to try to explain this as best as possible. So take the fake hair and the 2 outer pieces of your natural hair, you want to put the 2 strands of fake hair with those 2 pieces of your natural hair. And then you want to just start braiding down, and you don't have to do anything extra. Just add product and forget that the fake hair is even there, and braid down a little bit before adding the next strand so that you don't create a knot, and you should be fine. Like, that's literally all you have to do. And as you keep adding strands, you just do the same process. And for me, I added I added 3 to 4 strands on each braid, just depending on how thick my hair was in certain areas. So depending on how thick your hair is depending on how many strands you would add, and then also depending on how long you want them. Alright, so I pretty much finished most of the hair, and this is what it looks like. Now I just have about 6 more braids to go at the top, and I'm going to show you guys again step by step how to complete one knotless braid. So here we go. Alright, you guys, so after applying the product and taking some edges out, I am now going to start braiding my natural hair. And because my hair was thicker, and not only thicker at the top, but because the parts were a little more bigger at the top, I didn't add hair until halfway through the braid. So what I'm gonna do is just braid it all the way down. Well, not all the way down, but I'm gonna braid it halfway down, and then once I get to the halfway point, I'm going to start adding in the fake hair. Alright, so what you're gonna do again is take the fake hair, and those 2 strands, you're gonna add it to the 2 outer strands of your natural hair, and you're just gonna start braiding down. Try to forget that that fake hair is even there, because you don't want to create a knot trying to blend that in. It will just naturally blend in and align with the braiding pattern that you already have. And again, as you keep braiding, you do want to make sure that you keep adding hair in there. And for each braid, I did add at least 3 to 4 pieces, depending on the thickness of the hair in that section and depending on the length. So it's really your preference and what you want, but definitely have at least 3 strands being added to each braid. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like. These are so freaking cute. I actually just dipped them, and now what I'm going to do is go in and do my edges. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with some mousse, and this is just to eliminate any frizz and to also make sure that my edges stay. So that's what I'm doing now. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with some of this oil sheen, and I just like to use this because it gives the braids a little shine and it makes it look really sleek, and then it also has a really nice smell. So yeah. Alright, so last thing I'm gonna do is go in with the blow dryer just to seal the product into the braids, and then also just to dry the braids just a little bit because they are a little wet from the product. So that's what I'm doing. This is the finished product, you guys. They are super cute, super light, and they look so natural. And if you guys are gonna try this look or do this on yourself, please make sure to comment down below and let me know how that goes for you. And even if you guys learned any new tips or you simply just like this video, please make sure to give it a like and comment down below. And also please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this, because on this channel I do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, vlogs, and much more. So if you guys are interested in that, please make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to the channel and turn your post notifications on so you guys can be notified every time I drop a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I just cannot stop touching these. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.